Samsung, founded in 1938 by Lee Byung-chul, has grown into one of the world's largest and most influential companies. Starting from humble beginning, it has expanded into numerous industries. Samsung Electronics, for instance, is a global leader in technology, making everything from smartphone and television to home appliance and semiconductors. The company reached extend beyond electronics. Samsung has played a major role in constructing some of the world's most iconic buildings, such as the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the Petronas Tower in Malaysia, and Taipei 101 in Taiwan. In shipbuilding, Samsung Heavy Industry ranked as the second largest in the world, producing various types of vessels. Their insurance arm provide a wide range of services through Samsung Life Insurance and Samsung Fire and Marine Insurance. But Samsung influence doesn't stop there. The conglomerate also venture into advertising, financial services, and medical equipment. With over 489,000 employees worldwide, Samsung diverse business venture and global presence have cemented its status as a key player on the international stage. Samsung 3-star name reflects its mission, as 3 denotes huge, plentiful, and strong. Star mean bright, lofty, and constantly gleaming. The company want to be big, strong, and immortal like star. Samsung aim to lead the worldwide market and offering innovative, high-quality goods and services that exceeds customer expectation. Samsung mission is to use the expertise and technology to make better products and services for the world. The organization value its people and technology to fulfill this purpose. Samsung objective is to create value for consumer, shareholder, and employees through innovative technologies and excellent product and services. Samsung internal aim to provide the great goods and services that satisfy customer and maintain its global leadership in the same industry. Employee training, monitoring mechanism, and fair and open corporate management aim to make the organization one of the most ethical in the world. Samsung invests in R&D, innovate, and expand global to achieve sustainable growth. Samsung believes that strong principles lead to good businesses. Every company decision is based on the basic value and a strict code of conduct. The corporation honor local laws and enforce a global code of conduct for its employees. Samsung value collaboration, creativity, and improvement. The organization encourage people to take risks, learn from failure, and thrive it in whatever they do.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Ashraf Muhammad Razali. Matrix number 2865995. Okay, today I will present about job position. Okay, so Samsung need more human resource manager to ensure that the company can meet some of the company needs. Human resource manager can provide skill and knowledge to employees to enable the company to move well. Human resource manager can also connect suppliers and employees. This is important for HR to ensure the relationship between suppliers and employees in a good condition. So now we go to job description. So the human resource manager at Samsung play a crucial role in overseeing all aspects of human resource practice and process. They ensure that the company's strategy and objective are implemented effectively by managing job design, requirement, performance management, training and development, talent management, and facility service. The HR manager work in a dynamic environment, fostering a positive work culture and ensuring compliance with employee law. They bring the gap between management and employees, handle a grievance and manage the recruitment process. Additionally, they support business needs through the development and motivation of human capital, monitor HR strategy, and maintain the performance evaluation system and benefit program. By assessing training needs and ensuring legal compliance, The HR manager helps Samsung remain competitive and ensure employees are skilled and engaged, thereby promoting organizational efficiency and a positive work environment. Soon we go to the next one. The last one lah for me is about job specification. So the job specification for human resource manager at Samsung include having a bachelor degree in human resource, business administration or related field, and at least 5 to 7 years of HR experience, including 3 years in management role. Required skill are strong interpersonal and communication abilities, organizational skill, proficiency in HR software and Microsoft Office suite. Uh, High emotional intelligence, confidentially and conflict resolution skill are crucial along with strategic thinking, problem solving ability, and the capacity to manage multiple tasks simultaneously. This specification help the company identify the best candidate and ensure applicants understand the qualification and skill needs, ending in decision about promotion, bonus, and salary increase, and supporting a high performing workforce. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and Hye, my name is Badrul Aiman and my metric number is 287758. I will explain about recruitment strategy of Samsung company. First, creating an interesting job description. Creating an interesting and creative job description is very important in attracting public interest to join the human resource manager job at Samsung company. Samsung should be smart in advertising their job. Samsung can highlight the advantages of their company by emphasizing some interesting aspect of their company. So among them are easy promotion opportunities, offering a decent and competitive salary, work-life balance, recognition and reward, and competitive compensation. After that, advertisement displayed to people should also clearly state job responsibilities and expectation. Advertisement display should also emphasize a good company culture and focus on clear and detailed company values and mission. After that, a job website is a modern website that help in organizing and listing jobs that are open and needed by company. There are millions of featured job listing and additional resources such as career guidance, resume screening, and blog posts that provide helpful advice and tips on getting a job. So among them websites that can be used to display job search at Indeed, LinkedIn, JobStreet, and Ladder. Second, leverage the network. Samsung should be smart in expanding their range in the market. Samsung should make sure their network is an influential organization or institution. Samsung should partner with educational institutions by developing good relationship with university and college that offer HR program to benefit their graduate cohort. For example, Samsung can open up industrial training opportunities by hiring students in the HR department who are looking for a place to carry out industrial training. After that, Samsung can offer the skill and knowledge needed by an HR person in a Samsung company. Samsung company will also acquire employees who have a great background and excel in education. As a result, the productivity of the Samsung company will increase and cause the goal of the Samsung company to become the greatest technology company in the world will be achieved.
My name is Rihalatul Aisyah Samiti Abdullah, 287728. Okay, I will continue with the selection method that can be used by the Samsung. Okay, there are several selection methods that can be used by the Samsung company to select suitable candidates to hold the position of human resource manager. Okay, one of the way that can be done is by conducting an interview. This interview will often be conducted by human resource department manager or knowledgeable executive to assess the candidate's strategic thinking, candidate's leadership abilities, and their knowledge of the human resource department. Okay, next selection method is they can do an assessment center. Okay, this evaluation involves all candidates to participate in the implementation of simulation method, group training, and psychological evaluation of candidates. Simulation can be done by giving scenario to all the candidate, and the candidate is required to find a way how to overcome the conflicts they are faced and they can make a presentation on the initiative that can be taken by the human resource department to overcome the conflict that occur. Okay, for the group training, they will evaluate through teamwork, communication, and skill acquired by candidates to solve problems they face in the work environment. As for the implementation of the psychological assessment, this assessment can help to provide a real insight into the personality, work style, and the extent to which the candidates tends to make a decision. Okay, last but not least, the another way they can be done is to do an initial job test where all the candidate has to do the job according to the position they are applying for. Okay, this method will be implemented when the candidate will be given the actual task of work of the human resource department, and they will have to complete the task according a certain period of time that have been set by the interviewer.
Thank you to Aisha. My name is Amir Afan Mamazamri and my match number is 2860504. So I will continue with part of issue in Samsung. Our group will focus on two main issues, which is the current and the future issue in Samsung. So for the first one, the first current issue is attracting and retaining top talent amidst global competitions. So Samsung competes with Apple, Huawei and Google for top talent in critical fields like engineering and AI. Offering competitive salaries, benefits and growth opportunity is essential to attract the talents. So initiatives like Samsung Career Discovery enhance the Samsung reputations as an employee focused on well-being, diversity and innovations. High staff turnover, especially in R&D, is addressed through professional development, performance reviews, and work-life balance programs. So continuous adaptation of HR practices, including using advanced analytics, is necessary to meet evolving employee demands. Second issue is about retaining high-performance employees. So high turnover is critical department like R&D is costly and disruptive. So development program, performance evaluations, and work-life balance initiatives aim to retain employees. The fast-paced industry leads to employee burnout, making retention difficult. Attractive offers from competitors lure even dedicated employee away, emphasizing the flexible work schedules and remote work option to support work-life balance. Next, we move to the future issue in Samsung. So for the first future issue is upscaling and scaling in response to technological advancements. So investing in training programs to keep employees updated with new technologies, providing courses and tools for soft and technical skill developments, partnering with industry leaders and educational institutions for advanced training programs, and also collaborating with platforms like Coursera for course in machines learning, AI, and data science, fostering a culture of continuous learning to stay competitive. The second future issue is about adapting to evolving business models and market demands. So expanding into new sectors like a smart appliance and 5G technology requires Samsung to specialize skill. HR rules in identifying skill shortage and preparing employees for future demands. By using AI and machine learning to tailor training development programs to individual needs. Developing training programs quickly to meet predicted skill demand and ensuring proactive staff learning and development to stay adaptable. For conclusion, the analysis covers Samsung HR management from hiring strategy to addressing key company issues, ensuring new hires align with Samsung vision's mission and goals, details, rules, requirements, methods, and selection criteria for HR managers to match Samsung work culture and objective, identifying and addressing major challenges to help Samsung stay competitive and relevant. So I think that's all from our group. Thank you.